Welcome to Tridenlogy, the channel that's all about fascinating facts and discoveries.
In this episode, we're going to dive into a thought-provoking topic that many people experience firsthand: the major reasons why men may change in a relationship or marriage. Relationships and marriages are dynamic journeys filled with growth, challenges, and transformation. It's not uncommon for individuals to undergo changes as they navigate the various stages of commitment. This video will explore the major reasons why men may change in a relationship or marriage. So, get ready to delve into the major reasons why men may change in a relationship or marriage. 1. Dissatisfaction. Men who are dissatisfied with their relationships change them. There are different interpretations of dissatisfaction. It could be dissatisfaction in various ways. But what happens when a man ceases to perceive the traits that drew a woman in the first place? He could be disappointed because his girlfriend has stopped taking care of herself. Yeah, after marriage, the majority of women lose their beauty. Dissatisfaction may also indicate that the woman is no longer appealing to him. As a result, if your lover stops experiencing the initial favorable emotions, he may lose interest in you. Women may lose their beauty at an early age. That is correct. Except in rare cases, some women lose their heavenly beauty following marriage or a meaningful relationship. A woman's beauty should be publicized after marriage or a serious relationship. This will arouse the male's admiration, love, and concern for her. If you like him, he won't lie or cheat you. 2. Maturity and responsibility. Everyone develops throughout time. And as a man grows older, he matures and becomes more accountable to larger obligations. The more mature he becomes, the more he changes. According to psychology, a man transforms as he ages because he is burdened with more obligations. When a man takes on greater responsibility, he appears to change. This is common in marriages. A man's duty will cause him to stray from what he did as a teenager. Consider a 26-year-old man who drinks and goes on outings because he has less responsibility. He may need to alter in order to meet his duties when he reaches the age of 35. 3. Bad friends. Following bad friends is one of the most powerful things that can cause a man to stop caring and loving you in a relationship or in a marriage. When a man associates with a hazardous gang, he learns new negative habits, such as smoking, drinking, and womanizing. It is said that bad communication corrupts excellent morals, and that's how my pals and I will tell you who you are. In other words, when guys hang out with the wrong types of companions, their thoughts, actions, and behaviors might be influenced. 4. Money. Surprised? Yes, money has the power to change a guy. It can occur on both sides, when a man makes a lot of money and when he gets impoverished. Unfortunately, most guys choose females from the lower or middle classes simply because they, the men, do not have enough money. And when they make money, they are tempted to pursue their ideal women. When this happens, the male instinctively transforms and begins to pay less attention to you. Again, most females accept only guys who have enough money, so a man who doesn't have enough won't be able to get his dream girl if his desire is on the high end. Such men will usually go for the ones they can afford, and when they make money, they will most likely want to be at the top of their game. 5. Poverty. On the other side, if you notice that your boyfriend or husband is changing because he is becoming impoverished, try as much as you can to encourage him and demand less from him. Provide him with motivational and inspirational components to spice up his feelings. If you have or earn more, it is time to help him. Another thing to remember is that when a man is struggling to make it in life, he keeps track of how much aid his lady is giving him and how devoted you are to him even in his bad mood. So, as a woman, if you continue to help him while he suffers, he will never forget you or stop loving you when he has enough money. Remember, relationships and marriages are dynamic journeys that involve growth and transformation. It's natural for individuals to undergo changes as they navigate the different phases of commitment.
Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more content on personal development and self-improvement. See you in next video.